Welcome back to my kitchen. So one thing I get asked all the time is about snacking and how I can add vegetables to my snacking and make it taste delicious. So I got a few tips for you today. One of which is jicama. Have you ever seen a real jicama? This is what it looks like. Actually, what it really looks like is that. But I have cut it today because I have to talk to you about cutting jicama. You've got to be really careful because this thing is really hard. You need muscles. And then you have to go over here and take the skin off like this. The skin off. Oh, what is that? I take all that brown stuff away. And then eventually when I get down to here, I can make jicama French fry slices. See that? And then I can use it with my hummus, or I can use it with my cute little guacamole single serves that are easy. These keep a long time. That's why I get them from Costco, single serve. And also, you can get jicama wraps, which I talked about in a previous time when I was talking about substitutes for bread. These are actually wraps made just of jicama only. And you can put some little tuna salad or some cheese or some ham or some turkey, organic turkey, to use with those wraps. The other thing I just want to tell you about is this special little already chopped combo from Trader Joe's, which is so helpful because it's got the carrots, onions, the celery, and I can just put that in a pan, saute it with some nice coconut aminos. I could add cauliflower rice, I could add mushrooms, and it's already chopped, yes. Time saver. And then I found something this week that I thought you'd really like, and this is from Costco, and this is a Thai coconut skillet kit. So it's full of veggies, and it has the Thai coconut sauce already in there to put in the skillet. And put that with some shrimp or some chicken, and you've got this really delicious, vegetable dense, low carb, great meal to increase your antioxidants from veggies. So these are some of the things that I do on a regular basis. I hope it helps you to add some more veggies and more interest to your food plan and your snacking.